Welcome back to Vex TCG. Today we are opening some more Bearbrick 20th anniversary series 42. So we got 5 blind boxes and we found them out in a mall in Taiwan. So hopefully we get something good. Last time we did pull the Storiyama and we pulled the Despicable Me and also the NBA. So what I am wanting this time, I don't mind another Storiyama, but I am wanting the Andy Warhol the most. And also the other Despicable Me minion, because his name's Kevin, so I do want him. Okay, Julie and I are gonna blind box battle. So let's see who gets a better pull. And then the person gets to open the 5th one. Did you want to go first?
Fine.
Okay, then you can. Okay. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be joining this to 500 subscribers if you're enjoying the content. What'd you get? What'd you get? Oh, you already won. You think you already won?
No, not sure.
Ooh, that's
Pretty
not bad.
cute though.
That's a popular artist. I know this is an artist series. This is 4.16% and the artist is called Exit. Okay. Your turn again?
My turn?
Yeah, let's just see whatever one you like.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's see. What? Well, let's just see what you can get. So,
I think I got it.
1, 2, 3, go. Whoa! Oh, what? I think you might have won. That's the Andy Warhol. And the good thing about it, I think it's...
No, it's not. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
it's Basquiat.
Yeah, it's Basquiat and Andy Warhol. That's the one I really wanted. Oh, you got it. Okay. My turn.
One more? Oh, fine.
I might get a secret. What if I pull?
Okay.
What if I pull the lucky cat? The 1 in 192.
Okay.
And that's it. Todomida. Game
And
end.
then you can open up the wall.
Okay. Whoa! Smash that like button. That is a good one. I really wanted this one as well. Oh. Hiya! Oh, Frankenstein. Well, I don't have them.
4.
Horror. Okay. These is all different. Okay, one more. And then let's see if I beat. I really don't. With that pool, I need. Yeah, I need a 1 out of 92 to beat that. I mean, I don't really think I can win right now because you got both the artists. So yeah. I really think I only have to get a 1 out of 92 there. Oh no.
Who's that?
The pattern. I quite like it. It's the raindrop. Drop top.
I don't know.
Alright. So, these are 2 I got. Julia got these 2. Alright, Julia definitely wants to... You can definitely open the last box. Smash that like button. All different as well though. I'm happy with that. I am really happy. At least there's no difference. Give me the Kevin minion. Give me the Kevin minion.
No, we have bigger goals.
Bigger goals? Like what?
Like, sorry,
Another Storiyama? Okay, I don't mind another Storiyama. 1, 2, 3.
No!
Another raindrop. Okay, that's all good. Still really good pulls. There's only 2 the same. Thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll be joining us at 500 subscribers on the most commented video. So please like and subscribe and enter.